So hi, for our group we have chosen the play Sure Thing. Yes. So our topic is something far more valuable than the bell. Ding. Okay. So the question is, what is the significance of the bell? So in this play, the bell acts as the reset button. Okay. So do we have a similar mechanism in our life? The answer is yes. What is it? It is our stream of conscious. You might be wondering, what is stream of conscious? The stream of conscious means our inner thoughts, what we think when we want to act something. So, for example, if someone asks us, where do you study? And then if we want to impress them, we can tell them that we study at TLD092 or overseas. Up to you. Ding.
So let's go deeper into the play, where we believe that we have a reset button, which is our stream of conscious. In the play, every time a character says something wrong or something that is not suitable for the situation, the bells go ting. In the folk novel titled The Sound and the Fury, mention how people tend to say something about themselves in order to impress someone or to let themselves feel more, to reach someone's expectation, and it's as if they are lie to impress. Like in the play, Billy claimed that he already read the folk novel The Sound and the Fury when he was in college. When Betty asked which college, he answered the Oral Roberts University. When Betty asked, where is the college? Then suddenly he said that, oh, he didn't go to the college at all. So, he lied. So that's it.
Hello. Okay, so now we're going to go further on the play discussion. Now before, Farin had mentioned that people are willingly to lie and to mask the truth just because we want to be accepted in the society. Now we see this as a very problematic issue for the society. Now coming back to our main topic, which is, what is it that is actually more valuable than the bell, aka the reset button, or realistically speaking, our stream of conscious? Now, the answer is values and our morality. Our values and morality are what shapes our stream of conscious. Now, this is because our stream of conscious is our truest reflection to ourselves. What we think, what's in our head, is actually reflected by what's in our heart, in our mind. So, I suggest that to have a beautiful mind, to have beautiful words, is to have a beautiful mind. Thank you.
Okay, so the next value that we want to point out in this play is honesty. So as we can see in this play, there's a lot of dishonesty that happened between Billy and Betty, and this shows how ugly human can be when they lie, and how ugly truth can be when people don't become true to their own self. So honesty is really important in our life, so that we don't have to have a lot of reset button in ourselves. And plus, honesty means when we admit ourselves to others without the need to please others or lie to them just to reach their expectation. Honesty is important in value in shaping our stream of conscious, and so that we don't have to lie and keep on lying. In conclusion, a healthy soul reflects a healthy mind that portrays ourselves as a decent human being through our action of words, which is we say the truth about ourselves. Ding!
Okay guys, to conclude our discussion just now, the most important values that we've emphasized is honesty. This is something that is more valuable and far more important than the reset button, which is our morality and values that shapes our stream of conscious. These values and morality that were mentioned just now shows how we can create a noble human being. In the end, it is our own decision to either be honest or to lie, and we shouldn't be lying to our true self just to impress others, because it is way better to be our true self, to live our life to the fullest. So that is all from us. So bye.